Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new chapter, metric measures and temperature. So in this chapter we are going to learn about a metric measures that are meters, grams and liters. Okay, so we can call standard measuring unit. So today's topic, metric measures. In the metric system, the standard units of measurement are meter for length, means meter for length, gram for weight and liter for volume. So last week I have given few tasks for you all to measure the length of a textbook, your weight, your height, etc. So you have measured your weight in gram, length of a book, centimeter or meters, and volume of means capacity of a water, that in liters. Okay, so now we will learn about meter, gram and liters, means we will learn about a metric measure. So we'll start. First we will see this place value chart. Okay, so here it is kilo, hecto, deca, meter, liter, liter and gram, and here deci, centi and milli. If we will read in meters, it means kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. If we will read in liter, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. If we will read with grams, so kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So children, remember one thing, all this it will go in decreasing order. It means higher to lower, or we can tell lower to higher. So kilo is higher quantity and milli is lower quantity. Okay, and the difference between means we can tell it connected with each other in 10 times. It means we can tell the multiples of a 10. It connected with each other with the multiples of 10. Okay, so kilo means 1000, hecto 100, deca 10, and here it is meter, liter, grams, it ones place. Now we will come after one. It means 1 by 10 deci, centi is 1 by 100 and milli 1 by 1000. Okay, how to remember this? How to remember? So children, one easy trick I will tell you to remember kilo, hecto, deca, meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, milli. So you have to remember one sentence, that is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. What you have to remember? That King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. We have to take the first letter, that is King K, Henry H, died D. In place of by we will write mlg, means meter, liter, gram, D drinking, D chocolate, C milk, M. Okay, K means kilo, H hecto, D your first D means died, D is deca, then by, in place of by meter, liter, gram we will write, and next drinking D is deci, chocolate C, it means centi, and milk M, milli. Understood children? Very easy. Only you have to remember one sentence, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, and according to the first letter you will write your this place value chart, kilo, hecto, deca, meter, liter, gram, then deci, centi, milli. All are in which order? Decreasing order. First your higher order is kilo, lower is milli. Okay, kilo is 1000, hecto 100, deca 10, then meter this ones place, then deci 1 by 10, centi 1 by 100 and milli 1 by 1000. Are you getting my points? Clear? Everything is clear for you all? Okay, now we will see next topic. So children, we will see examples. We know that the difference of each other, it is 10, means they are 10 times higher or lower than each other. Okay, Let me take example. If we will see lengthwise, if we will measure in length, so 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. If we will take 10 millimeter is equal to the 1 centimeter. Same if I will take 10 centimeter, it will equal to the 1 decimeter. Okay. Same if we will take in weight. Okay. So if I will take 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. Okay. So 10 decagram. Sorry. It is in weight, means gram we will take. 10 decagram is equal to 1 hectogram. Same if we will take in capacity, it means liter. So 10 hectoliter or 10 deciliter. If I will take 10 deciliter is equal to 1 liter. If 10 hectoliter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay children, understood? It means all having the difference of a 10 times. If I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 milliliter, or 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centiliter. If we will take in meter, then 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, and 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. Same in gram, if we will take 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram, or 1 kilogram is equal to 10 hectogram. Clear for you all how to measure? Only we have to see the difference. Okay children, we'll see few examples on the basis of metric measures in decimal form. How to convert it into a decimal form. Okay. Now here in this topic we will see metric measures in decimal form. How to convert metric measures into decimal form. So we'll see. Let's start. So kilometer to meter. When we will convert kilometer into meter, that time what we will do? We will multiply by 1000. Same when we will convert it into meter to kilometer, we will divide it by 1000. So higher to lower, from kilometer to meter we will do multiply. Always remember, when we will go higher to lower we will do multiplication. When we will do lower to higher we will do the division. Okay. First thing you have to remember, whenever we will go up to down, means higher to lower, we have to do multiplication. And in next, when we will go down to up, lower to high, that time we will do the division. So kilometer is a higher quantity and meter is a lower. So when we will go higher to lower, we will multiply by 1000, kilometer to meter. And same or meter to kilometer, that time when we will convert into meter to kilogram, we will do the division by 1000. Meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. Same centimeter to meter divided by 100. Centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. Millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. If we will see in weight, means in gram, so kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. Same gram to kilogram divided by 1000. Gram to milligram, multiply by 1000, and milligram to gram divided by 1000. In capacity, if we will see in volume, will be seen liter. So liter to milliliter, multiply by 1000. Milliliter to liter divided by 1000. Clear it is? This concept, what we are doing, when we will go higher to lower, we will do the multiplication according to their places. You have to see the places and do multiplications. And in lower to higher, what we will do? We will do the division. Okay. We will see few examples on this. First example we will see 7 centimeter 8 millimeter. That we have to convert it into a centimeter. Why? Because our highest is centimeter. We will convert full equation in decimal form that will be in centimeter. Now 7 centimeter it is. We will write 7 as it is because centimeter means our higher quantity. We have to convert this one. 8 millimeter. Millimeter to centimeter, it means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, so what we will write? 8 by 10 because we have to do the division. We will go lower to higher. Millimeter to centimeter we have to go. What we will do? We will do the division. Division by 10. So we will write like this: 8 by 10. 8 by 10 it means 0.8. We will write in centimeter. So 7.8 centimeter. Okay, got it? What we are doing? We are converting this thing because it is higher quantity. We will convert lower to higher. So lower to higher, whenever we will go, what we will do? We will convert, we will do the division. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what we will do? We will divide by a 10. Okay, next example we'll see. Our next example is 6 kg 700 gram. So 6 kg we have to convert 700 gram into kg. Gram to kg. It means what we will do? We will divide by 1000. Okay, so we will write 6 as it is and 700 that we have to divide by 1000. Okay, so 700 divided by 1000, what we will get? We will get 6.7000 kg. 6.700 kg. Okay children, now third question we will see, or this we can write in short form also, 6.7 kg. Okay children, now we will see next. So we will see our next example. 4 liter 250 ml. Same 4 we will write. Now 250 ml we have to convert into a liter. It means what we will do? We will divide by a 1000. So 250 divided by 1000. So what we will get? We will get 4.250 liter, and we can write like this also, 4.25 liter. Okay children, so whatever I have taught today, hope everything is clear for you all. If you are having any doubt, you can call me, okay, or you can ask me on my personal number in WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.